All right, so it's about 6 a.m. on comp day, and we're gonna put the pork on. So how I'm gonna put them on is kind of like this. I'll start out with one here. I'm just gonna make like a large triangle with them. Kind of like that. So now that they're on, we're gonna let them go for about an hour. Within every 20 minutes, see that there's 3 of them. We're gonna spin a third of a turn every 20 minutes. So that way, at least one of the pork butts is over the water pan, and one is at least over the direct fire. All right, so it's about time to wrap here. You take a look at these. What I'm looking for when I'm wrapping is clearly the fat is rendering, as you can hear and see. Right? The rub is tacked on nicely like that, not rubbing off, and just the color, really beautiful color, nice mahogany red for the most part. So we're gonna take these and we're gonna wrap them. So I'm gonna wrap these all in the same package or pan, whatever you want to call them. Really, just kind of you're basically when you're wrapping them, you're looking to braise them. You're finishing the cooking process. I'm gonna guess they're anywhere between 160 and 170 right now. I'm not really concerned about the temperature internally of them. So for our wrap, we have turbinado sugar or sugar in the raw, Blues Hog Tennessee Red, hot honey. Brand is not specific. I like Mike's, but I've also used local store brand stuff. 2 sticks of butter. I use salted and more maple syrup. So we'll start out with the turbinado sugar. I'm using about a half a cup for the whole wrap. Just sprinkling it on pretty evenly, like so. Then I'll come back with the Blues Hog Tennessee Red. It's a vinegar-based sauce. I use it in all my wraps. I love it. Just trying to give enough love to each one, like that. That I'm probably using about 3/4 of a cup. Hot honey, I just squeeze it on. No measurement needed. Just give each one enough love. The butter, use 2 sticks. I put them right in between here like that. Boom, like that. And last thing I'll use is maple syrup. Again, probably about a half a cup in total. And we'll go ahead and wrap these and throw them on for probably about, it's always different on timelines for that. Anywhere from, it could be a half hour, it could be 2 hours, but usually it falls in about the hour range. I just use 1 sheet of foil. I know some people use 2. So with the placement of this, I usually go to start on the opposite side of the water pan so that it's directly over the heat of the drum. And that way it really gets all the sauces, the butters, all the liquid that we just put into this wrap. It really gets them hot, so we're not holding up the temperature. You're not going to hit a stall that way. And then after about a half hour or so, I'll spin it to the other side once all that butter's melted and everything's mingled together. So with tenderness, these are done. Been about an hour.
Yeah.
So what we're looking for is probe tenderness. As you can see, I don't even have the thermometer on. I'm just looking for a device to probe with. In nice, like butter, minimal resistance. I'm going to pull them off and let them rest until turn-ins.